All these little green plants here indicate that there is a parsnip down in there. Oh, you can kind of see it right there. And we're going to harvest some parsnips for dinner tonight. Parsnips are wonderful in that they can freeze solid in the winter in the ground. And when they come out in the spring, they're even more sweet and tender. As far as my opinion is concerned, it's one of the best overwintering crops that you can plant. I remember listening to a talk by Bill Mollison, and he said that they're just wonderful baked, and up until that time I'd never baked one. And he was right. Don't want to snap it off. I felt it come loose. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a nice one. Look at that. That is a pretty nice parsnip right there. Yeah, we need a couple of them. Oh, there's one right alongside of it. Oh, that was even better. Okay. There's another one here. Oh, it's even bigger. Oh, it's just a little fatty. That might be enough, but we can have some tomorrow too. I guess we can leave that one in the ground then. That's pretty nice right there. So what we have here, what I found out in the permaculture information, is what's called a keyhole garden bed. What it's designed to do is leave a little space for you to put your knees. This is the keyhole. And then the entire bed surrounding is you can reach with your hand. Simple reach. What that gives you the ability to do is densely plant your crops. Compared to in a row, you always have to have a row where you're walking and then a row where you're planting, and that walking space actually minimizes the amount of planting space you have. Whereas here, because you're densely planting the whole area, you can get more crops in the area. So this is our harvest this afternoon. 5 nice parsnips and a little bit of creeping thyme. And I'm going to go get some garlic too. I got garlic growing in the back that I can harvest. So let's get back there and get some. And here are the parsnips, all nice and cleaned up, ready for the oven. And other than roasting, I'm going to have me a little snack right now. Oh yeah. Wish you were here. Oh, they're sweet. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Got a little brown on top of that one. This one right here is the dandy right here. It's a biggie. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I also cut these tails off of these parsnips. I'll save those for breakfast tomorrow.